Welcome to this video on how ChatGPT can help you run a successful business. As a language model trained by OpenAI, ChatGPT has many applications, including helping businesses with various tasks. In this video, we'll explore how ChatGPT can help run a business and provide some specific examples. 1. Customer service. Customer service is crucial to any business, and ChatGPT can help improve it. With the help of natural language processing, ChatGPT can respond to customer queries and provide personalized assistance. It can help customers troubleshoot technical issues, track orders, provide recommendations, and answer general questions. ChatGPT can also help businesses to automate some aspects of their customer service, saving time and resources. For example, a business that sells electronics online can use ChatGPT to handle customer queries. ChatGPT can provide troubleshooting tips for common technical issues with the products, track orders, and suggest related products to customers. This can help the business provide a seamless and efficient customer service experience. 2. Content creation. Creating high-quality content is time-consuming, and ChatGPT can help businesses create content quickly and efficiently. It can generate product descriptions, blog posts, social media captions, and even video scripts. With the help of ChatGPT, businesses can produce high-quality content that resonates with their audience, improves their SEO, and increases engagement. For example, a business that sells skincare products can use ChatGPT to generate product descriptions for its website. ChatGPT can analyze the ingredients and benefits of the products and generate unique and engaging descriptions highlighting their key features. This can help the business to stand out in a crowded market and attract more customers. 3. Data analysis. Data analysis is essential for businesses to understand their customers, optimize their marketing campaigns, and make informed decisions. ChatGPT can help businesses by analyzing data and generating insights. It can also help businesses to automate data collection, such as sentiment analysis and market research. For example, a consulting business can use ChatGPT to analyze customer feedback and generate insights. ChatGPT can analyze customer reviews, social media mentions, and survey responses to identify common pain points and areas of improvement. This can help the business to tailor its services and improve customer satisfaction. 4. HR and recruiting. Recruiting and onboarding new employees can be a time-consuming and expensive process. ChatGPT can help businesses streamline this process by assisting with tasks such as resume screening and conducting initial interviews. It can also help businesses to create onboarding materials such as handbooks and training guides. For example, a startup that is hiring new employees can use ChatGPT to screen resumes and conduct initial interviews. ChatGPT can analyze resumes, identify relevant skills and experience, and conduct interviews to ask pertinent questions about the position and the company culture. This can help the business to find the right candidates more efficiently and effectively. 5. Social media management. Social media is crucial to any business's marketing strategy, but managing multiple social media platforms can be overwhelming. ChatGPT can help businesses manage their social media by creating content calendars, generating content ideas, and analyzing social media metrics. It can also help businesses to schedule posts, monitor mentions, and engage with their audience. For example, a fashion retailer can use ChatGPT to manage its social media accounts. ChatGPT can help the business to generate content ideas that align with its brand and target audience, schedule posts for optimal times, and analyze social media metrics to measure the success of its campaigns. This can help the business to increase its online visibility and engage with its audience more effectively. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help businesses with a variety of tasks, from customer service to social media management and everything in between. With the help of ChatGPT, businesses can improve their efficiency, save time and resources, and make informed decisions. Whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, ChatGPT can provide valuable assistance. As a language model, ChatGPT can learn from the data it receives and continually improve its performance. This means that the more you use ChatGPT, the better it gets at assisting you with your business needs. ChatGPT can also integrate with various business tools and platforms, making it easy to incorporate into your existing workflows. In summary, ChatGPT is a versatile and valuable tool for businesses looking to improve their operations. By leveraging its natural language processing capabilities, businesses can provide better customer service, generate high-quality content, analyze data, streamline HR and recruiting, and manage social media more effectively. Tell us how ChatGPT can help your business in the comments below. Thank you for watching Think Big for Business.